Hey guys, so today we're doing a rainy day / dentist video. It's so rainy. Oh, the girls must be home from school. Come in, it's really rainy out there. Yeah, it is really rainy, Mama. It was rainy. I'll just put the umbrellas on. Here, let me help you get out of those coats. I'll put your hat over here. Your raincoat over here. Okay, you girls better get ready for your dentist appointment. Alright. I'm gonna take care of the dog. Alright, I'll go brush my teeth first. Okay, sweeties. Okay, Oreo, you wanna play? Ready? Ready? Go get it. Okay, I'll go tell Sis it's her turn to brush her teeth. Sis, it's your turn to brush your teeth. Okay. Hold my stuffy. Alright. Okay, let me grab my toothbrush here and just quickly get some water on it. Toothpaste. Brush up. Alright. I better go rinse out my mouth. Alright. Hey sis, can I have help finding the mouthwash and stuff? I'll do it, sweetie. Okay, I'll play with Oreo. Alright, ready, Oreo? Go get it. Alright, let me just get this down here. And grab both of these. Okay. Girls, I got them. Come in. I call blue. Okay, well, I wanted to peek anyway. Alright. Here, let me help you there. Floss. Okay. Yay. Now, let me just throw it away. Okay. Now the girl's gotta do mouthwash. Mouthwash? I don't like mouthwash. I always think I'm gonna swallow it. Sweetie, you have to. No. Here, I'll show you. So, you get some water in a cup, and you pour some mouthwash in. And then, swish, and then you spit it out. Yeah, but what if I have to swallow? You're not gonna die if you swallow mouthwash. Okay. That's a lot of mouthwash to eat. Yeah, I think it's good. Okay. Puh. Okay. I think we're ready to go now, girls. We're leaving. Bye, Daddy. Bye, girls. Okay. Let me get my coat and stuff. Hold on, let me grab my purse. Where's my phone? I'll find it. Alright. Alright, girls. Let's go. Alright, girls, let's get in the car. Alright, and we're ready to go. Alright, girls, we're finally here. Hold my purse. I'm gonna go check in. Okay. Hi, I am ready to check in. Okay, let's see. Just scan your card and then put some hand sanitizer in. Okay. Thanks. She said she'll get us in just a moment. Hold on, let's take your coat off for now, sweetie. Okay, Mama. Number 01, number 01. Okay, so my dentist appointment's first, and then Avery's, and then Daisy's. Hi, we have a three in a row dentist appointment today. Oh, okay, so I'm guessing you're first because I have you on schedule first. Okay. So, you can put your bags down there, ma'am. Okay. So, I'm just going to go over here and get this. Oops, wrong one. Let's try this again. Alright. Now, I am just going to take a look at your teeth here. Okay. Next, you are due for x-rays today. Oh, looks like you have one cavity. Oh, okay. So, I'm just going to have to, let's see, first. Is that a drill? Oh my. No, it's not really a drill. It's out. Alright. Now I'm just going to have to. Alright, now I'm just going to do a quick brush. Let me just wear my mask here. So here, let's put some toothpaste on it. And some water. Alright, let me... Alright. Now, let's put that back. Going to rinse that. And then, let's see. Alright, and you're all done, ma'am. Okay. That looks scary, Mama. Oh, don't worry, it's not scary. Alright, I am going to have to clean my equipment real quick. Oop. And I will just wash my hands here. Just that. Okay. Now, real quick, let me just put all of my equipment back. And it looks like Daisy is next. Okay. I'm gonna have to move you a bit. Okay. All right. Let me see here. So, last time you were here, you did get braces. So, let me just put this on you. It does look like you have a few more baby teeth in there. So, I will just use this real quick. Let's polish your teeth. I will take a look here. Okay. Looks like you're just in for a bit of a cleaning today. So, and I will use this on you because you have braces. And then let me just put some toothpaste on this toothbrush. Okay. You will have to take a special pill here. So I'm going to take this off and give you some water here. With your special pill, I will step out while you do that. Okay. Alright, I got Alright, and you are all done. Okay, thanks. I'm guessing I get to keep this. Yep, you do. Cool. I don't wanna go. Well, Avery, you have to, sweetheart. Mm-mm. I don't wanna. Hiding behind mommy. Come on. It's okay, sweetie. It's okay. Let's see. Is this the right one? Okay. Whoa, you have a lot of cavities there. Why do you have so many cavities? Okay, well. Alright, there you go. All done. Guess it wasn't that bad. Alright guys, that's it